Is your Cadillac CT4-V or CT5-V Blackwing key fob not working? It likely needs a new CR2032 battery. This video covers the open case method, a DIY-friendly way to replace it. First, gather a new CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver or coin. Gently insert the screwdriver into the seam at the key blade end of the fob and pry it open. The goal is to separate the two halves without excessive force. Once open, remove the old battery, noting the polarity positive side up. Insert the new battery. Snap the case back together and test the fob by pressing buttons. This entire process should take about 5 to 10 minutes and avoids the need for reprogramming in most cases. Make sure to wear gloves to prevent leaving fingerprints on the fob. After replacing the battery, test the fob to ensure it's working. Press the buttons to verify lock, unlock, and other functions. If the fob doesn't work immediately, try a remote fix. Cycle the vehicle's ignition by turning it on and off, or use the My Cadillac app for compatible 2023 and newer models to repair the fob. Reprogramming is rarely necessary unless the internal chip was disturbed. A common mistake is using too much force when opening the case, which can cause cracks. Be gentle. Remember to recycle your old battery responsibly for environmental sustainability. DIY saves money, around $5 to $10 versus $50 to $100 at a dealership. However, incorrect handling could void your warranty or damage the fob, costing $200 to $400 to replace. For the latest updates, check Cadillac's official resources or owner forums.